Alright, video number 2. In this video, I'll be telling you how to create videos for your startup at zero cost. You will never spend a penny for creating videos after watching this video. Hello, homies. Well, here we go. So I'm gonna teach you how to create videos. Alright, let me make things clear to you. See, when you're starting off, you should not get into the complication. You don't have to, install Premiere Pro or After Effects. Probably I'll create a tutorial for that in the near future. But what I want you to do right now is understand that you are just starting off. Okay, so you don't have to find perfection in the videos. So I started off with this little app, which I'm about to tell you about. The app, what it does is basically, it's exactly, if you look at the user interface, you will find out that it's exactly like MS PowerPoint, exactly like that. So it's a very familiar environment, and you don't have to worry about going out of your comfort zone. But as an entrepreneur, you should go out of your comfort zone. But having said that, slowly, I'll make sure you go out of your comfort zone, okay? But you should not waste time in creating videos. It should not happen that you take the full day in creating a 5-minute video. That should not happen. I'm here to make sure that you don't do it. So what I want you to do is just Google for Active Presenter. Just click on download after that. And just download this version, latest version. If you're having Windows, then this. If you have the Mac, then this. Just download it and install it. I won't tell you how to install it. I hope you know it. All right, as soon as you install it, just click on the app, and the first screen that you will see is this. This looks exactly like PowerPoint, and you have several templates to select from. All you do is, for this training purpose, I'll select just blank. Okay, and after that, it says you're using the free edition of Active Presenter. Some features are restricted, which is absolutely fine because we will not be requiring those features. I'll just close this. The first thing we need to do is add our video. Okay, and I go to annotations and I click on video, and from file, and I select the file I want. All right, so I click on new slide and I click on annotations and I click on another video from file. For example, I need this one. Okay, and I want to begin this slide. All right, I'll just put it up here. Okay, yeah. Now I want an image. I'll use the old one. This is something that I used in my previous video, so I'll just use that for the training purpose. So I want the video to start from here, go to this one, and end. Okay, but I want to edit this part, so let me play this for you. All right, enough is enough. I'm just tired of making these videos. All right, so what I want to do is I just want to stop at tired, for example. I just click on play again. All right, enough is enough. I'm just tired. Perfect. So I see this small space that I need to take care of. So I can stop anywhere over here. That's perfect. So what I do is I click on this orange part and just drag and drop it over here, and I click on delete. Okay, so this is the part that's left, and I go to the next video. In this, I want to just remove this part. For example, I'll just play this for you. Hi, are you going through a rough phase in your business life? So I just want to remove the part right after hi, this part. So what I do is I just drag and drop the whole thing over here, and I just drag and drop it over here, and I click on delete. Okay, very simple. And I also want this to be deleted, for example, this blank part, and I click here and click on delete. Very simple, right? So it will start here, go to this, and end. and I can add transitions if I want. So for example, from this to this, I want it to fade, and from this to this, I want it to wipe, for example. I would also like to show you how to add subtitles. You can add subtitles over here. So you just have to click on caption, for example. Not here. I'll just go Control Z. So what am I saying here?
All right, enough. Enough is enough. I'm just tired.
I'm just tired. Okay, so here I go. All right. Enough. Enough is enough. I'm just tired. Okay, and what am I saying here after that? So it will ask me from what time to what time. So I want the caption to start from here and end just before the slide ends. That's perfect. And I go to the next one. Let me see, what am I saying here?
Hi, are you going through a rough phase in your business life?
Are you going through a rough phase in your business life? Okay, I just click here. Hi, are you going through a rough phase in your business life? Perfect. And I just wanted to start a little bit late and end over here. Okay, wonderful. Okay, I think I have what I want, and what I do is I click on export, and then I click on video. All right, guys, this is how the video looks like. Let's watch. Yeah, exactly the way I want it.
All right, enough. Enough is enough. I'm just tired. Hi, are you going through a rough phase in your business life?
Perfect. This is exactly the way I want it. Okay, so next what I'll do is I'll teach you how to make a very similar looking video on your phone. Yes, on your phone, which is very, very easy. I'll just teach you all that. Okay, here we go.
Alright guys, the next thing you need to do is install an amazing little app known as Vlogit. It's a very simple little app, nothing flashy about this, but it actually makes video making a piece of cake. The good part is there are no watermarks. It doesn't ask you to watch ads, or it doesn't, has a smaller version of the video that gets downloaded. It's the full HD video. All right, so let's make a new video. So this is one of the videos I recently made. I was running and I made this video in this. So let me do this. Okay, so for example, I'm just giving an example, so they won't be like the actual videos, but so I say that from the camera. There you go. No, not from the camera. Wait a second. From the library. So, for example, I select one of these. For example, this one, and the second video I select, let's say, is this one. Okay, and I click on next. Alright, so the good part about this particular app is that it creates a 16:9 version of your vertical video. So if you see there's a blurred effect at the back, so this is what it's doing. Okay, so it's very simple, but it works out because your videos will be seen on TV, they'll be seen on various other platforms. So this is the perfect way to do it. Okay, so let's edit this, and I want to trim this a little bit. So I click on trim and I click on play, and I want to stop at it doesn't matter. Okay, so I know at 22 seconds at 11 seconds, so approximately 10.6. Let's see what happens now. So 10.8 is 10.9 is perfect. Okay, perfect. So I click on OK, and then I want to, I don't want to crop it or anything. You can do a lot of things over here, but I'm good. So what I do is I go back, and now what I do is very interesting. I want to transition from this slide to this slide. Okay, so what I do is I click on transition, and what kind of a transition am I looking for? So is this kind of a, is this, or do you want it to be this, or do you want it to be, the phone is a bit slow, but that's okay. Or yeah, I like this one. I like this one, so I click on OK, and I click on pause. And what I also want is to add a little bit of colors. I want some colors on my face, so you can increase or decrease the colors from here. If you want the sharpness to be high, you can always increase it, but it doesn't look good, so just keep it at 0. You want it to be warm or cold, or how do you want? And I want a little bit of brightness, so yeah, increase the brightness. I click on OK, and same as the case with this, I click on adjustment, and I increase the, what do you call this? Saturation, sorry. All right, so I click on OK, and if I want to add a filter or something like that, I can add it. There are so many options over here, but I don't want to. All right, perfect. And I click on download. Yeah, that's it. And it will now start exporting the video. All right, so and then there'll be this option somewhere right below cancel. You will see 6 or 7 or 8 options. One of them will be copy to the phone. Just click on that and you're good to go. Isn't that easy, guys? I think that has made life so easy. I just create something on the video on my phone, and I simply go sit somewhere at the corner. I create the whole video and I upload it then and there. So that's the reason why I'm able to create so much content in such a short time. You'll be seeing a lot of videos, images, and a lot of things from me very soon. I plan to have around 50 different images, photos, text, and a lot of things. 50 posts, that's my target. I want to reach that every single day. You'll be seeing a lot of me. All right, that's about it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.